पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 1017। आयतीव लेलायतीव। 1 नंबर टिप्पणी। ध्यानम अत्र निःशेषधी वृत्तीनां उपलक्ष्य। So here dhyanam means all buddhi vrittis, all buddhi pratyayas. It's upalakshanam. Tena darshanadi api na tatra tattvataha. Darshana, shravana, manana, vijnana, none of them are tattvata in Atma. Atma is free from all these. They are only in buddhi. Similarly, lelayati. So, chalanam in Atma is also, chalanam or any kriya is also aupadhika. The karana activity, they are superimposed on Atma. Between them also there is अन्योन्य अध्यास. Further, सही इत्यादि अनंतर वाक्यम आकांक्षा द्वारा उत्थापयति. सही स्वप्नो भूत्वा इमं लोकम अमुम लोकम
अतिक्रामते.
This sahi, this is Kanava Shakha Patha. Madhyandina Shakha Patha is Sadhi. Sadhi. So Atma is Sadhi, Dhiya Saha Vartate iti Sadhi. And that is why it is said Samanam. Atma is Samana with Buddhi. Because in Madhyandina Shakha, Sadhi part was there. It was given in the Tippani when the mantra was given. In the beginning itself. आकांक्षा द्वारा उत्थापयति. कथम पुनरेतद् अवगम्यते तत्समानत्व भ्रांतिरेव उभय लोक संचरणादि हेतुर. कथम, हाउ डू वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस? एतद् अवगम्यते तत्समानत्व भ्रांतिरेव उभय लोक संचरणादि हेतु. समानत्व भ्रांति, samanatva bhranti between Atma and Buddhi is the Ubhay Loka Sancharanadi Hetu. Na Swataha. Swataha Atma is not going, but because Buddhi is going, they have Tadatmya, Samanatva, therefore we think Atma is transmigrating. Why? Tat Samanatva, Tat Shabdo Buddhi Vishaya. Tat Shabda is Buddhi Vishaya. So, Tippani said, Dhi Tadatmya Adhyase न स्वतः इति अस्य अर्थस्य प्रदर्शनाय हेतुरुपदिश्यते. So, अस्य अर्थस्य प्रदर्शनाय, to show this अर्थ, हेतु is given. टीका संचरणादि इति आदि शब्दो ध्यानादि व्यापार संग्रह। उभय लोक संचरणादि, संचरण आदि यू हैव टू टेक ध्यान आदि। तो संचरण ध्यान एंड देन आदि मीन्स श्रवण, दर्शन, श्रवण, मनन, विज्ञान, ऑल ऑफ देम। दैट इज हाँ सी 10 नंबर टिप्पणी आदिना दर्शनादि ग्रह। स आत्मा ही यस्मात् स्वप्नो भूत्वा, टीका स्वप्नो भूत्वा लोकम अतिक्रामति इति संबंधः। सह आत्मा, स ही इज गिवन, स आत्मा ही यस्मात् स्वप्नो भूत्वा लोकम अतिक्रामति इति संबंधः। For us, the reminder is all the activities are only at buddhi level, prana level, jnana shakti kriya. I am not doing anything. I am akarta. We have to remind ourselves again and again. Katham atma swapno bhavati, how atma becomes swapna? स यया धिया समानः सा धीर यद यद भवति तदसावपि भवति इव तस्मात् यदा असौ स्वप्नो भवति स्वापवृत्तिं प्रतिपद्यते ही तदा सोपि स्वप्नवृत्तिं प्रतिपद्यते। सह, सह इज आत्मा, यया धिया समानः सा धीर यद यद भवति, whatever that intellect becomes, the atma which is samana, sadrisha with intellect, buddhi, साभास बुद्धि, तत्तद असावपि भवति। असौ, असौ का और असौ का है। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ असौ?
आत्मा।
एवरीबडी, इज इट करेक्ट? असौ, व्हाट इज असौ?
बुद्धि।
असौ इज आत्मा। सा धीर यद यद भवति तत्तद असौ अपि भवति। सा धीः यद यद भवति तत्तद असौ अपि भवति। तो असौ इज आत्मा भवति इव। तस्माद् यदा असौ स्वप्नो भवति स्वापवृत्तिं प्रतिपद्यते धी तदा सोपि स्वप्नवृत्तिं प्रतिपद्यते। तस्माद् यदा असौ, असौ कः? हाँ, somebody else. What is asau?
बुद्धि।
No, somebody else should answer. असौ स्वप्नो भवति, असौ कः?
आत्मा।
स्वप्नो भवति स्वापवृत्तिं प्रतिपद्यते धीः, असौ धीः बुद्धि, तदा सोपि स्वप्नवृत्तिं प्रतिपद्यते। सो, who is so?
सः इज आत्मा.
Atma. Sopi Swapna Vritti Pratipatti. There are only two. One is Buddhi, another is Atma. Atma doesn't become Swapna. The one who becomes Swapna is Buddhi. Buddhi is in Swapna Avastha. Atma only Tadatmyat Pratipadyate. यदा धीर जिजागरिषति तदा असौ अपि अतः आह. And if buddhi wakes up, जिजागरिषति, and yada dhir jijagarishati, he buddhi. When buddhi wakes up, jijagarishati, what is the rupa?
जागरितुमिच्छति.
How this rupa will be formed? Yes.
Nijanta Sannanta.
First san pratyaya, then nich. Jagari, nijanta if you do jagari. So if you do san pratyaya only, what will happen? Jijagirsh, Atidev Dhatu will become Jijagirsh. Then you will not get the rupa. So first you do nich, then jagari it will become. Then you do san, Jijagarishati. टीका. उक्ते अर्थे वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याकरो. In this artha, vakyam avatārya. Mantra vakya is now starting. Swapno bhutva, swapna vrittim avabhasayan, dhiyaha swapa vrityakaro bhutva, imam lokam jagrita vyavahara lakshanam, karyakarana sanghatatmakam, लौकिक शास्त्रीय व्यवहारास्पदम अतिक्रामति अतिथ्यक्रामति विविक्तेन स्वेन आत्मज्योतिषा स्वप्नात्मिकां धीवृत्तिम् अवभासयन् अवतिष्ठते. यस्मात् तस्मात् स्वयं ज्योतिः स्वभाव एव असौ विशुद्धः. We will split this vakya. Swapno bhutva swapna vrittim avabhasayan. That Atma, because buddhi has become swapna, swapno bhutva, swapna vrittim avabhasayan. Like ghata, Atma illumines ghata. Atma illumines ghata so much so that Atma and Ghata means avabhasya, avabhasaka, they become one. In the same way here, Swapnakar Buddhi, Dhiyam is there. Vrittim avabhasayan, Dhiyaha swapa vrityakaro bhutva. Buddhi has Swapnakara, Atma also becomes Swapnakara. Bhutva, imam lokam jagarita vyavahara lakshanam, कार्यकरण संघातात्मकम लौकिक शास्त्रीय व्यवहारास्पदम अतिक्रामति. This is main. Imam lokam अतिक्रामति. What is imam lokam? This world, जागृत व्यवहार लक्षण. Where जागृत अवस्था, जागृत व्यवहार is there. कार्यकरण संघातात्मकम. And where Karyakarana Sanghata all are active in Vyavahara. Unlike in Swapna, only Buddhi is there. So Karyakarana Sanghatatmakam in Jagarat. And that Vyavahara is Laukika also as well as Shastriya also. So Laukika Shastriya Vyavahara Aspadam. All of this Atikramya अतिक्रामति, अतीत्य क्रामति। अतीत्य क्रामति 5 नंबर टिप्पणी, तद अभिमानम त्यजति, इट गिव्स अप द अभिमानम। विविक्तेन संघात व्यतिरिक्तेन, विविक्तेन स्वेन आत्मज्योतिषा स्वप्नात्मिकां धीवृत्तिम् अवभासयन् अवतिष्ठते। अवतिष्ठते मीन्स इट स्टेज। अवतिष्ठते, what is the सूत्र?
समव प्रविभ्यः स्तः।
समव प्रविभ्यः स्तः। What does the सूत्र do?
परस्मैपद तो आत्मनेपद, सम अव प्रवि उपसर्गानां ष्ठागति निवृत्तौ धातु।
स्थागति निवृत्तौ धातु is परस्मैपद, but when the sum, ava, pravi upasargas are there, then it becomes parasmaipada rupa. Uktam hetum anudya phalitam aha yasmat. So this is the hetu. Yasmat, yasmat evam. Since Atma, because of the buddhi vritti tadatmya, illumining it, becomes one with it, therefore tasmat स्वयं ज्योति स्वभावः एव असौ विशुद्धः सन् कर्तृ क्रिया कारक फल शून्यः परमार्थतो धी सादृश्यमेव तु उभय लोक संचारादि संव्यवहार भ्रांति हेतु। तो स्वयं ज्योति स्वभाव आत्मा विशुद्धः सन् कर्तृ क्रिया कारक फल शून्य। आत्मा इज फ्री फ्रॉम कर्ता क्रिया कारक फल, all this means it is different from all of them. It is neither karta nor kriya nor any other karaka nor phalam. That is called vishuddha. शून्यः परमार्थतो धी सादृश्यमेव तु उभय लोक संचारादि व्यवहार भ्रांति हेतु। परमार्थतः इट इज फ्री फ्रॉम क्रिया कारक फल कर्ता एवरीथिंग, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दी सादृश्यम उभय लोक संचारादि संव्यवहार भ्रांति हेतु, इट बिकम्स ए भ्रांति हेतु. So we get the Bhranti, I am doing all these activities and I am going through Shubha, Shubha, Karma Phala. कार्य करणातीतत्वात् प्रत्यगात्मनो न स्वतः संचारित्वम् इत्या. प्रत्यगात्मा is कार्यकरण अतीत. Therefore, स्वतः it is not sanchari, not having any gamanam from one loka to another. मृत्युः काम कर्मा विद्यादि मृत्यु रूपाणी अतिक्रामति मृत्यु रूपाणी. दिस इज द मंत्र. सो मृत्यु इज काम कर्म अविद्यादि. अविद्या काम कर्म इज मृत्यु. न तस्य अन्यद् रूपम. टीका रूपाणि अतिक्रामति इति पूर्वेण संबंध. न तस्य अन्यद् रूपम. स्वतः कार्यकरण अन्य अन्य इव अस्य रूपाणि कार्यकरणानि एव अस्य रूपाणि अतिक्रामति इति पूर्वेण समाप्तम्। न तस्य अन्यद् रूपम् तस्य मृत्यु doesn't have any other रूपम्। मृत्यु is only in the form of अविद्या काम कर्म। स्वतः कार्यकरणानि एव अस्य रूपाणि अतिक्रामति। कार्यकरण is the रूप of मृत्यु। 1 नंबर टिप्पणी, नहि प्रमाणतो मृत्युः शक्यो दर्शयितुं ततः रूपाणि मृत्योस्तेन स्युः कार्याणि करणानि च। नहि प्रमाणतो मृत्युः शक्यो दर्शयितुं ततः। प्रमाणतः, थ्रू प्रमाण यू कैनॉट शो मृत्यु, देयरफॉर मृत्यु रूपाणि कार्याणि करणानि मृत्योः रूपाणि स्युः। प्रमाण निरस्यत्वं ततः शब्दार्थ। व्हाई यू कैनॉट शो मृत्यु प्रमाणतः? मृत्योर्मानगम्यत्व अयोगे तद्गमकत्वेन रूपोपन्यास इति फलितम्। मृत्योः मानगम्यत्व is not there. मृत्यु is not known through pramana. So why it is not known through pramana? It is not given here. Mrityu is not one incident, one event. Avidya, Kama, Karma, all of them are Mrityu. Means all of them are bandhana. Avidya is bandhana, Kamana is also bandhana, Karma is also bandhana. You cannot show bandhana. But all these are different ways in which bandhana comes. So what is bondage? What is bondage? What is bondage? There is no other kind of bondage. Ignorance is bandhana, bondage. Kamana, desires, karma, this is bandhana. अतस्तानि मृत्यो रूपाणि अतिक्रामति क्रियाफलाश्रयाणि। Therefore, तानि मृत्योः रूपाणि, these मृत्यु रूप का अविद्या काम कर्म अतिक्रामति, it goes beyond. And they all are kriyaphala ashraya. All kriyaphala will express in this way only. Samasa vigraha is done in tika. Kriyaha tatphalani cha ashrayo yesham तानि क्रियाफलाश्रयाणि। क्रियाश्च तत्फलानि च इति क्रियाफलानि। क्रियाफलानि आश्रयो यशां तानि तानि कानि। What is the अन्य पदार्थ?
रूपाणि कार्यकरणानि।
रूपाणि क्रियाफलाश्रयाणि। यानि वा क्रियाणां तत्फलानां च आश्रयस् तानि इति यावत्। यानि वा क्रियाणां तत्फलानां च, क्रियाणां तत्फलानां च, this is another way of vigraha. Kriya and kriyaphala, kriyanam tatphalanam cha ashrayah. So kriyanam ashraya, phalanam ashraya. So either kriyayaha phala ashraya or kriyanam ashraya, phalanam ashraya. बुद्धि अवभासकम ज्योतिरात्मा इति उक्तम श्रुत्वा शाक्यः शंकते. शाक्य इज बौद्ध. बुद्धि इज अवभाष्य. बुद्धेः अवभासकम ज्योति आत्मा. When Buddha heard this, he doubts, creates a doubt now. ननु नास्ति एव धिया समानम अन्य धियो अवभासकम आत्मज्योति. So there is no other atma. Vijnanam is atma. धिया समानम अन्य धियो अवभासकम आत्मज्योति ही नास्ति. ठीक है. प्रमाणाद अतिरिक्त आत्म उपलब्धि नास्ति इति आशंक्य. प्रमाणाद अतिरिक्त आत्म उपलब्धि means atma is known through something other than pramana. If someone says like this, प्रत्यक्षम अनुमानम च इति प्रमाण द्वैविध्य नियमम अभिप्रेत्य ताभ्याम अतिरिक्त आत्मा अनुपलम्भात् न असौ अस्ति इत्याह. प्रमाणात अतिरिक्त, or you have to split this way. This is better way. When Purvapaksha says Atma avabhasaka jyoti, Atma jyoti hi nasti, Siddhanti will say Pramanat. Atirikta. Atirikta means Karya Karana Sanghata Vyatirikta. Atma upalabdhi iti ashankya. Siddhanti will say this. Purvapaksha, Bauddha will say Pratyaksha and Anumanam. These are the only pramana they accept. Bauddhas have only two pramana, Pratyaksha Anumanam. Pratyaksham Anumanam cha iti pramana dvaividya niyamam. This is the rule. Abhipredya. Tabhyam atirikta atma anupalambhat. Other than that, there is no atma. Anupalambhat na asau asti. Therefore, there is no such thing. Hi vyatirekena प्रत्यक्षेण वा अनुमानेन वा अनुपलम्भात्. Other than buddhi, through pratyaksha or anumana, there is no atma jyoti, swayam jyoti upalabdhi. तत्र दृष्टान्तम आह. यथा अन्या तत्काल एव द्वितीयाधि. At that time, how after one buddhi vritti, Vijnana vritti, another Vijnana vritti comes, because each Vijnana vritti is kshanika. Like that, buddhi vritti is there. Swayam Jyoti Atma, where, how do we know? We don't know. There is no pratyaksha pramana, there is no anumana pramana. Buddhi vritti, anumanam is there. First buddhi vritti was there, next buddhi vritti is there now, so jnanam is happening. So व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत. टिप्पणी 1 नंबर. यथैकस्मिन् संताने पूर्व ज्ञानातिरेकेण ज्ञानांतरम तत्तुल्य कालम न प्रत्यक्षम तथापि आत्मा अपि व्यतिरिक्तो न प्रत्यक्ष. He has given in this way. तत्तुल्य कालम न प्रत्यक्ष. Okay. At the same time, just as one buddhi vritti is there, at the same time another buddhi vritti is not there. Tatkala also means immediately after that. Then at that time one vritti is there, second vritti is there. But Atma Swayam Jyoti, who knows? Atma is not known through Pratyaksha or Anumana. घटादि रालोकश्च इति उभयोर्मिथः संसृष्टयोर् विवेकेन अनुपलम्भवत् अवभास्य अवभासकयोर्बुद्ध्यात्मनोर्भेदे अपि पृथग् अनुपलम्भात् ऐक्यम् अवभासते वस्तुतस्तु तयोर् अन्यत्वमेव इति शङ्काम् अनुवदति। घटादिरालोकश्च इति उभयोर्मिथः संसृष्टयोः. In the example, Siddhanti had said, Ghata and Aloka. Between them there is Tadatmya, they look as one, and therefore we think Ghata Avabhasaka is Aloka. Vivekena Anupalambhat, and they are not seen distinctly. So, Avabhasya Avabhasakayor Buddhi, like that, Buddhyatmanor Bhede Api Pruthag Anupalambhat. Aikyam avabhasate. Between Buddhi and Atma, Buddhyatmanoho Bhede api. Between them, even if there is Bheda, Pruthag Anupalambha. Separately, they are not available. Aikyam avabhasate. Oneness is seen, is experienced. Vastutastu tayor anyatvam eva iti shankam anuvadati. So, Vastutastu, they are separate, the Buddhi and Atma, even though separately they are not available. They appear as one, but they are two. This is the objection from Siddhanti. Yattu avabhasya avabhasakayoho anyatve api viveka anupalambhat sadrishyam iti Ghatadi Alokayo. Purvapaksha says between Avabhasya, Purvapaksha means Bauddha. Says between Avabhasya and Avabhasaka there is difference, but Viveka is not there. Because of lack of Viveka, they appear as one. This is true in case of Ghata and Aloka. This is not true in case of
Buddhi.
Atma and
Atma
Buddhi.
and Buddhi.
Buddhi and Atma. There this is not true. Because we know Ghata, we know Aloka. We know Buddhi. We don't know Swayam Jyoti Atma through any Pramana. Vaishamya Pradarsanena Uttaram Ha. So now this is the Vaishamya. What is true in Ghata and Aloka is not the case with Buddhi and Jyoti. Tatra bhavatu anyatvena alokasya upalambhat ghatadehe samshrishtayoho sadrisha. See, these vakyas are sometimes long vakyas and you need total attention. If you are not focused, you will not be able to answer any questions. You need alertness also you need enough preparation. Brahadaranyaka, something which is Brihat. You remember the meaning of Brahadaranyaka, what was said? If you don't remember, you have to remind yourself. You have to see again. Brihat means not only in the length-wise, volume-wise. Brihat also in its Vishaya. And Aranyaka means something which is to be studied in forest-like atmosphere. Means where there are least distractions. So if already mind has enough distractions, if we are not alert, it will slip off. Test of how much I am understanding is when I myself take up this text, this or any text to teach. And if someone feels that, no, I may not have student, he said, okay, at least you yourself take Bhashya, take Tika, and see if you are able to understand the whole thing by yourself again. Then it means I have understood. If I have lot of pratibandhas, speed breakers, then that means I am not able to, I have not understood. तत्र भवतु अन्यत्वेन आलोकस्य उपलम्भात् घटादेः संश्लिष्टयोः सादृश्यं भिन्नयोः एव न च तथा इह घटादेरिव धियो अवभासकं ज्योतिरन्तरं प्रत्यक्षेण वा अनुमानेन वा उपलभामहे. There, in case of aloka, it is available. It is known through pratyaksha. How do we know? When it is darkness or when light is there in the room and then light is switched off, then object may not be seen. So then aloka is distinctly known. And between the ghata and aloka, samslesha is seen. Sadrishyam. Of the two things which are distinct, bhinnayoho eva. Na cha tatha iha. But in Dashtanta, it is not like that. Ghataderiva धियो अवभासकम ज्योतिरंतरम प्रत्यक्षेण व अनुमान. प्रत्यक्ष और अनुमान न उपलभामहे. We don't see this. दृष्टान्तः सप्तम्यर्थः. तत्र means in दृष्टान्ते. घटादेरन्यत्वेन इति सम्बन्धः. So Ghatadi and Jyoti and Aloka, they are separate. ज्योतिरंतरम नास्ति चेत कुतो ग्राह्य ग्राहक संवित्ति रित्याशंके. If there is no Jyoti, then how there is grahya grahaka bhava? Aloka cannot illumine buddhi vritti. Then who is illumining buddhi vritti? He said dhireva. Dhireva hi chit swarupa avabhasakatvena swakara vishayakara. Buddhi vritti, that buddhi vijnanam itself has the ability to illumine buddhi vritti. So there is no separate one. Swakara vishayakara cha. Swakara, grahaka akara and vishayakara. बाह्यार्थवादिनो हो सौत्रांतिक वैभाषिकयोर अभिप्रायम उपसंहरति. यदि बाह्यार्थवादी, there are two बाह्यार्थवादी, सौत्रांतिक, वैभाषिक. How many of you know the shloka of the four Buddhas? Chant. Let me hear. Three together you chant. I will know.
मुख्यो माध्यमिको विवर्तमखिलं शून्यस्य मेने जगत् योगाचारमते तु सन्ति मतयो तासां विवर्तोऽखिलः
Next.
अर्थोऽसि क्षणिकस्त्वसावनुमितो बुद्ध्येति सौत्रान्तिकः प्रत्यक्षं क्षणभङ्गुरं च सकलं वैभाषिको भाषते. I missed the tune.
वैभाषिको
भाषते.
अर्थोस्ति, अर्थो अस्ति. So the last two are Vaibhashika Sautranta. First two are Madhyamika Yogachara. So here he concludes. Those who don't know this shloka, they should memorize these shlokas. In Brahma Sutra also, this second chapter, these shlokas will be referred. बाह्यार्थवादी सौत्रांतिक वैभाषिक both are बाह्यार्थ. सौत्रांतिक वैभाषिकयोः अभिप्रायम, because they accept घट. Vijnanvadi doesn't accept घट also. He said there is no bahya padartha only. तस्मान् न अनुमानतो नापि प्रत्यक्षतो धियो अवभासकम ज्योतिः शक्यते प्रतिपादयितुं व्यतिरिक्तम. व्यतिरिक्तम ज्योतिः, धियः व्यतिरिक्तम ज्योतिः प्रतिपादयितुं न शक्यते तो प्रत्यक्ष और अनुमान प्रमाण. इदानीं विज्ञानवादी बाह्यार्थवादिभ्याम् अभ्युपगतं दृष्टान्तम् अनुवदति. Now Kshanik Vijnanavadi comes. He says he is different from the other two, Sutrantika Vaibhashika. He uses their Drashtanta. Yadapi Drashtanta Rupam Abhihitam Avabhasya Avabhasakayor Bhinnayoreva Ghatadi Alokayoho Sanyuktayoho Sadrishyamiti. That you gave the Drashtanta Avabhasya, Avabhasaka. They are different, Ghata and Aloka, just like Ghata and Aloka. But they are Sanyukta, they are united with each other, and therefore there is Sadrishya. Bahyarthavada prakriya na sugata abhipreta iti doshayati. Sugata means Bauddha, not Bauddha, Buddha. Sugata is the name of Buddha. Saugatas are Bauddha. Buddha, Vijnanvadi says, Buddha never accepted Bahyarthavada. He doesn't accept this Ghatadi business outside. There is nothing. Everything is only Vijnana. There is no object outside. So in their darshana, later this Bahyarthavada, those who are mediocre students, Madhyama, Manda Madhyama, they created this. That is how it is said. Because only Vijnanam, most people, they cannot appreciate this. Only Ekajivavada, who will appreciate? Buddhi doesn't function. Buddhi is so used to functioning with external gross world objects, people, interactions, many jivas. This is easy. So he said this is not Sugata Abhipretamata. Tatra Abhyupagama matram asmabhir uktam. Natu tatra ghatadi avabhasya avabhasakau bhinnau. This is only Abhyupagama. And we accept this Ghata Aloka because others talk about it. We don't accept. Means it is not our understanding that there is Ghatadi Avabhasya and Avabhasaka, Aloka. They are different from Vijnanam. There is no such thing. Ubhayatra Drashtanta Swarupam Saptamyartha. In both cases, Drashtanta, Tatra is given, it is Saptami. Nanu Ghatadir Avabhasya, Avabhasyad, Aloko, Avabhasako, Bhinno Lakshate. The Bahyarthavadi says, but Ghatadi, they are there, Avabhasya. Different from that is Aloka, Avabhasaka. Is this true or not? Vijnanavadi said, no. Paramarthatastu Ghatadireva Avabhasatmakaha Saloka. Says, really speaking, Ghatadi is Avabhasatmakaha Salokaha. Ghatadi alone, they are Salokaha. Saloka means Alokena saha vartate iti Salokaha Ghata. Ghata is Salokaha. and it is not sthayi also. Tasya sthayitvam vyavartayati. Anyo anyo hi ghatadir utpadyate. Every kshana new ghata, it keeps coming. See, in Siddhanta Bindu also we saw Vaibhashika, Sautrantika recently. And here also, in Brahma Sutra also. And actually in Sarva Vedanta also, after Bhatta Mata is Shunya Mata. We have already seen Vijnanavada. So everywhere this Purvapaksha will keep coming. Anyonyo hi ghatadir utpadyate. Pratitam vishaya pradhanyam vyavartayan uktam eva vyanakti. Pratitam vishaya pradhanyam. So what appears that there is Vishaya is very clear. Vishaya Pradhanyam means Vishaya is existing. Pratiyamana Aloka Visheshanaka Ghatadi Pradhanyam Pariharati Vyavartayan Uktam Eva Venakti. It is Vijnana Matram Eva Saloka Ghatadi Vishayakaram Avabhasati. It is Vijnanam. It is only knowledge. There is no object. Therefore, just in case of Pratibhasika Satta, how we say, it is only knowledge. It is only Sarpa Jnanam. There is no Sarpa. Illusion of Sarpa. Sarpa Bhranti gives me the notion there is Sarpa. Somebody may say, no, Sarpa Bhranti is there, notion is there, Sarpa, therefore there is Sarpa Jnana. But there is no Sarpa. So Sarpa Bhranti is only inside. And Shunyavadi will say, then neither there is Sarpa nor there is Sarpa Jnana. It is Shunya only. Because everything is Pratibhasika. All Pratibhasika is really, it was never there in all three periods of time. Nasid asti bhavishyati. So therefore, it is all Shunyam only. That will be the next one. So this Vijnana Matram eva, he says. Saloka Ghadadi Vishakaram Avabhasa. Only one more line. Vijnanavade Yathokta Drashtanta Rahityam Phalati. So when in Vijnanavada, this Drashtanta Rahityam Yada evam tada na bahyo drashtanto asti Vijnana Lakshana Matratvat Sarvasya. There is no external example. Everything is Vijnana Lakshana Matram. Shishya Buddhi Anusarena Trividham Buddha Viprayam Upasamharati. So according to Shishya Buddhi, the three Bauddha Mata, Vaibhashika, Sautrantika, Vijnanavada, Upasamhara is done. Evam tasyaiva vijnanasya grahya grahaka akaratam alam parikalpya tasyaiva punaha vishuddhim parikalpayanti. Or malam, you can say grahya grahaka akarata malam parikalpya tasyaiva punar vishuddhim parikalpayanti. Vijnanam takes all these rupa and then Vishuddhim 10 number. Tippani we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.